Good morning all. I am Gursirat Kaur from 10th standard. Today I am going to describe you about my model which I made on the topic global warming. Global warming. First of all, the question which arises is what is global warming? Global warming is the rapid increase in the Earth's average surface temperature due to the presence of greenhouse gases. In my model, I try to show different causes and impacts of global warming. I had made this model with the use of thermocol, cardboard, and other materials. Now, we will discuss some of the main causes which are responsible for global warming. The first main cause is the industrial sector. Industrial sector increases global warming as greenhouse gases are being released into air which are responsible for global warming. Also, deforestation also led to global warming. When trees are cut down or burned, their stored carbon is released into air as carbon dioxide, which in fact increases the global warming. Light bulbs are also responsible for global warming, as light bulbs consume much more energy than the LEDs. LEDs last 10 times longer than the incandescent bulbs as well as consume less energy. Now we will discuss about e-waste. E-waste, electronic waste. It releases many toxins which are administered to the soil and water. These toxins have many negative impacts on soil and plants which in fact increases the global warming. Now, we should take a side on the impacts of global warming. Global warming affects the evapotranspiration, which increases drought in dry areas. Also, the ice caps near the poles are melting as a result of global warming, due to which the level of the sea is rising. Also, due to the climatic changes happening due to global warming led to the food shortage, especially in areas undergoing floods as well as droughts, etc. Now, we should follow some of the ways to reduce global warming, such as using energy efficient appliances, use clean fuel like CNG, plant more and more trees, and follow the 3R principle, which is reduce, reuse, and recycle to save our earth. I hope you like this video and my model.